guys, Life of KDB back in the building with yet another video, and as you guys can see, I have two special guests here, my Tongan people, my Tongan fam. So this here is Fran, this here is Joel, and hi. As you guys can see, the Tonga has Tongan Language Week, and yeah, so we thought we'd sort of celebrate with a bit of food, like a massive feast, burgers, sea dog, some chips, some crab meat salad, and some potato salad. So yeah, anything you guys want to say?
Malolele everyone. Yeah, it's really nice having Caitlin here and
Mama B
over there that's behind the camera. But yeah, today is Father's Day, everyone, so to all those fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Ofa peke mo mauha aho whiawhia, mo mono ia malo.
Oh snap, let me start now. Hauki heni.
You want to do a prayer in Tongan?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want to say anything, Joe? No. Oh, happy Father's Day.
Okay, taloto. Si suta ke mai kai ke whamalo he mausina. Amen.
Amen.
That was a quick one.
Hungry out here, guys.
Hey.
I'm still a little bit full, that's it.
Can you show the burger?
So guys, this burger here is 1 in a million. Oh, the bun doesn't even stick. Yeah, so this burger is 1 in a million, guys. They only make it at the specific store called Lil Abners, as you guys would have seen in the beginning. Pretty big, right? So it's basically like chicken stuffing in the middle with like a egg omelette, wrapped in egg omelette, and then just 2 buns, and that's about it.
Okay.
So I think this is her first time trying it.
Yep.
It'll be Joel's first time trying it as well. I never finish it. I never finish it,
Oh my
guys.
god.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut mine as well.
But for leftovers, guys, this is like the best thing ever.
Oh my god.
Yeah, pretty weird.
Oh my god.
So Iraqis, it was the Iraqis that owned Lil Abners that created this little food sensation here. You guys would have seen. Yeah, they're the only place that does it. Me and Mum used to think that people there are a lot of places in Oz that did it, but it's the only place that does Yokum burger. So let's get into it, guys.
Brilliant. Okay.
Cheers. Didn't know either.
Didn't you just finish your challenge?
Don't need that negativity.
my cheat day. Oh my god. It's really.
So this place opens like till early hours, especially
10
for
in
those
the
that
morning.
go clubbing. They can go there and get their
Late night
fix.
snack.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Salads too, right?
Oh my god.
I probably won't even get to the salads. I'm gonna have like another 2 bites and then I'm full. It's falling apart.
So this is the kind of stuff that you guys wanted to eat.
Miss.
Yeah. And you miss.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah, it's really hard to eat.
Oh god.
I'm falling.
I'm just gonna
Just go with that,
eat it with a spoon.
I'll just put it on my
So
plate.
what's inside?
Chicken stuffing,
Probably
chicken,
mayo or something.
mayo, and then wrapped in an omelette.
Oh my god.
Look at this one. I can't even eat it probably.
That's. Who cares?
Eat it with a knife and fork.
Only this one would use a knife and fork to eat a burger.
You bougie, bro.
Just like Nana. Just like Nana.
Oh my god.
Guys, honestly, the flavor of this.
It's nice because it's not, it doesn't taste so fatty.
Yeah.
It's got a tang to it.
Yeah.
It's real yum. Oh my god.
The lettuce, a little bit healthy.
Okay. I'm gonna have to spread it like this because it's like butter.
So good. I'm gonna eat it with no bun.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll get to the sea dogs, guys.
I think I will.
I'll probably
Really?
eat half of this and then half of the sea dogs.
Oh my god.
Just make this breakfast tomorrow.
It's really yum.
Really yummy. Like a lot of people live in Auckland don't even know about this place, especially those out west. And apparently you.
Well, I know about the late night and the rotisserie chicken and all of that, but not this.
Oh yeah. Because I was looking at this and I forgot that. Was there nothing? Yeah.
Oh, it's more than enough. Oh, thank you. I'm good.
Because I was looking at this bottle when the guy gave it to us, because usually when you get a meal or something you get a drink with it. I just remembered that in Oz they only have 2 litres, they don't have 2.25, which they're sort of missing out on. But yeah, I thought I'd just give a little fact.
It's so big.
No.
It was actually a good game.
Good game.
The first half was
atmosphere.
the first half was the best, but not the second half.
Yeah.
Cause my uncle, yeah, he was angry at the he was disappointed.
Who's your uncle?
Ben Samifuna.
Oh, there you go. You still play for Chiefs?
No, he plays for Racing 92.
Yeah?
I think it's in Spain.
No, sorry. Not in France. Same thing. Spain, Paris, France. But Fiji was good. They were awesome.
They're always good.
They're men. They're
Fiji's very good.
their team,
man.
stocky, fit, and just blitzing the Tongans. Sorry guys, but yeah, they were awesome. But oh no, good game. Watching
so
rugby
nice.
for the Pacific was all good.
No.
Too much, man. Oh man, look at the fish in the sea.
It's actually crab meat.
Crab meat. Oh, crab meat. Oh,
No,
joker.
you can know.
We can share.
Sharing is caring, right?
You know.
Crab meat.
Oh,
Tartar sauce. Onions and I think there's some type of.
this is like buttered up with it's like fried onions and butter. Oh,
Like
no
a whole
wonder.
blocky. Great, man.
No wonder why us islanders love it.
That's why we're super skinny. I don't know. I need something cool. So good.
Look at this. Can you see the crab meat? It's red.
It's fried too.
Oh my god. Oh, this is so fun. So good. How long? Oh, okay.
I'm dying, guys.
Guys, this is the best.
Nice, but
MMT.
rich.
MMT. Yeah, ikaletahi. Good luck.
Do some more training.
Oh my god.
No more pies.
No more Cape fried.
Oh my god. No, that beanie gotta represent. But regardless of how
I like.
well or how bad they do, still good.
That's so clean.
Supporting them.
Yeah. This is bomb, man.
I'll try that again. Oh my life. This
I
is
get
probably
full
the most
from
of
this.
you.
Hey, Nat, what?
Oh my
Look at
God.
what she's doing. She's cheating already.
Yeah. It's alright. It's my day off.
You reckon tomorrow? You reckon?
Yeah.
I just gotta show the camera.
Bring my
some
boyfriends
boys
over.
Here's the whole thing.
Pretty big, huh? Oh, show us how to stand up.
Vortex it.
Hey.
Oh god.
Oh, man.
Kamlalo.
That's good.
Famalosi.
Can I have the drink, please?
Oh my god. That crab thing is so yum. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have this one.
Really good.
I thought I wasn't gonna eat.
Go, girl.
Guys, I'm sorry to disappoint y'all. I am damned to be the cool.
Oh no, the only mukbang you guys finished was the seafood.
King crab, yeah.
Oh
That was bomb, man. Honestly,
man, I want, yeah.
it's a dream
I'll
come
just-
true.
This is Alaskan king crab.
Kiwi
I want to
crab.
try that bee love sauce. Oh,
Do you watch Bee Lobster?
she's
I watch like seafood stuff and I'm like, oh my god,
Ah.
just salivating. Like,
yeah. Before using the hand.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
One day soon, guys.
it's not just butter, it's cheese. Yes.
Ah,
Mayo.
Oh my god. So
That's
guys, butter, cheese, mayo, fried onions and butter, sauteed onions. That's where the flavor is. No wonder it's so rich.
I think they
Here's
come
my
up with it.
Coca-Cola.
I'll be
Cola
back in
fat.
like 10 minutes, that's for sure. Damn, man.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go for another.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You
look
can
at
probably have this one too.
Oh my god. Right now.
I'm sure Koreans
Goody
can
for
watch
chips.
it. Does Fran eat all the time?
Mate, pretty hungry.
The saladine happening. We tried it. We started. Me and Mum started at the gym like maybe a month or two ago, and we had a consultation. They were telling us, or we're telling her what we're eating, and she was like, "You guys have to really cut down." So we got like tuna, salads and stuff.
Greek
It didn't even
yogurt.
last like 2 days. Eh?
Oh my god.
And I was like, "Stop it."
No, no, I don't like gyms. I'm not good with gyms.
Yeah. It's
Man.
usually all in the food you eat too, like majority of it in the food you eat. Which is, yeah, that's probably why we're not using anything.
We have to go gym when we get back.
Man.
Yeah, we haven't been since we started. Oh no, so the money's just
We
So
love-
you're just donating.
Yeah,
your
we
money
love
to
doing
the
that,
gym. Oh,
yeah.
lovely.
yeah.
As long as we
What
got the
lovely
tag,
people you are.
everyone can see we got a tag. That's all good.
Chaplin didn't get paid, guys.
Oh my god. That was really
You wanna
big
finish
thumbs
it
up for the Yokum burger.
What do you rate this place, guys?
And a shout out to
Definitely.
the people that made
So shout out to
Very
Lil
good.
Abners, guys. You guys are amazing. Y'all need to stop doing this crap. This is why we're fat, alright, y'all? This is why we never get anywhere.
That's why we have
Keep coming
colour
back.
thighs. This is why everyone else
They need to
mocks
bump
us.
up the prices.
Our
Chunky.
thighs, yeah.
Yeah, everything's chunky.
Gotta blame someone.
But it makes us strong.
Oh, yeah.
Lazy.
Yeah, lazy, more like it, yeah.
Mm.
I give this place 100 out of 1. I love it a lot.
100 out of 1.
You can math. Bruh,
What you
that's how good
said?
it is.
We were supposed to say 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. Oh man, yo, I'm stuffed.
Someone told me.
Fatu.
Over.
Are you Tongan or what?
Fatu.
Can we begin?
Happy Tongan Week
You know,
to you all. And we'll end the video right here. Right now. And subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, fam, and to all my new subscribers, I'd like to thank you guys for joining my channel, showing me some support and love. Truly appreciate it. And to all my OGs, I'd like to thank you guys for sticking with me as always. And yeah,
Fatu.
Fatu.
guys.
Subscribe.
Bye!